in my world.
What is going on, you guys? It is Julianna and I am back with another vlog. I wanted to hop on here and show you guys like what I'm doing and just kind of like how I prepare myself to go out into public. I have to go to Walmart. I'm taking my grandma to get her hair cut and everything, so I gotta get ready, and I have like 30 minutes, so I better hurry. Water. I drink like a gallon of water a day. If you guys didn't see my period hygiene video, I drink lots of water. It helps to flush yourself from the inside out, so that's what I like to do. So I'm just gonna straighten my hair and I'm gonna get ready. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys like a little bit of what I do when I get ready. So I'm gonna wear some sweatpants because I have to wear these compression socks and I don't want like these long socks like showing. And then I'll wear my Air Forces. Probably just wear like a t-shirt. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Oh, I have this one over here. I'll wear this one. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this shirt right here. It's a t-shirt, and I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll start doing my hair and everything. Alrighty, you guys, I am dressed and I'm just grabbing this. I gotta grab my lotion and my deodorant. What I'm gonna do is put some lotion on my arms because that kind of helps me to smell good. And I like this one from Bath and Body Works. It's in the Papaya Paradise Cup. This is their Ultra Shea body cream. I really like this stuff. It smells amazing. Love it. My elbows have gotten they get really dry. So I like to make sure I'm putting lots of lotion on and everything. I like to apply it throughout the day and just make sure I'm getting my elbows. And this smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this stuff. It smells amazing. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my neck because I'm literally getting into this stuff. So I like to put some on my chest and everything because when I spray perfume, it kind of sticks well and it stays on longer and you can smell it longer. That's what I like to do. So I'll do that and then I'll put a little bit of deodorant on. I love this stuff. It's the Even Tone Restoring from Dove. Now I'm gonna spray some body spray. I love this stuff so much. And I spray a lot. Like a lot, you guys. It's kind of insane. I spray a ton because I like to smell good. I like to spray some in my hair, but I'm kind of almost out of. Look at that. Not almost out, but I still got a little bit to go, and then I'll be done. So okay, I'm gonna brush through my hair. I think what I'm gonna do is straighten it. So now I love this new hair straightener, but I got it from TJ Maxx, and it's amazing. I lost all my hair straighteners, and then right when I bought this one I found them all. So okay, take the scrunchie and I'm just gonna tie my hair back because I don't really want my hair out because my hair gets real nasty and frizzy, so I'm gonna tie it into a low ponytail so it's slick and sleek and it looks good. Okay, that's what I look like. Hey you guys, what is going on? It is Julianna and I'm back home now. I went to Walmart. I'm gonna do a little Walmart haul. I got some good stuff, Alright you guys, so my bed's super messy. I need to clean my room too. But I just got some quart-sized freezer plastic bags and then some gallon-sized freezer plastic bags. I got a filter for my air vent. This bag, what did I get? I got this little extension cord little thing. I got some household stuff. So I got this weather strip seal, and then I got a 25-foot extension cord. And then let me set these chips over here. That is disgusting, you guys. My room is so nasty. I need to clean it. Then I got an ink cartridge for my printer. And I got some aluminum foil. I got this is the good stuff. I got some 5-blade razors. This is the Equate brand. I love that stuff. Then I got some Azo. This is the urinary pain relief. This is the maximum strength. I love this stuff. And then this stuff is supposed to be really good. And it's the TheraBreath Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. So I like that stuff. And then I got some Skintimate raspberry rain shaving gel, and then I also got the Island Berry Breeze one. I've never seen that one, so I'm excited to try it. I got my grandpa some Pure Sport deodorant from Old Spice, and then over here I got some paper plates, and that's all I got in that bag. And then over here, I got my keys. Over here, I got this stuff. Okay, so I got some more stuff. I got these Snuggle little like scent boosters for my laundry, and it's in lavender joy scent. I'm really excited to try these. So I've heard good things about them. And then I got some more of my Dove sensitive skin like unscented bar of soap, because I use this on my lady parts and I love it so much. So I got all that stuff. So that is my Walmart haul.
It's no little crowd, but still you are standing out. I'm sitting with you now, swear that I might leave the ground. Wish we were moving half speed. I want to feel you, feel me. Why don't we forget all the distractions? I should just be focusing on you. Why don't we just silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow? Yeah, yeah, talk slow. Maybe we should go. I don't want a room so full. I want you to know just how special I see you. I wish we were moving half speed. I want to feel you, feel me. Why don't we forget all the distractions? I should just be focusing on you. Why don't we just silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow? Yeah, yeah, talk slow.
Alright, you guys, it is currently 10:33 p.m. and I made my coffee and I'm just already getting really tired. So once I take this sip of coffee, there's literally no turning back, because I will be like wide awake and ready to conquer the night. Yeah. So okay, let's start. Yes, that espresso is just hitting the right spot tonight. Ooh, I just have a sudden burst of energy. Okay. Okay, that was... Okay, so... I am going to just... I have my iPad right here, so... I might do some stuff on my iPad, like use Procreate or something. I don't know. So, I think I've been watching YouTube videos for like the past like 10 minutes. Just like literally wasting the time away. And it's literally all-nighter videos. Oh my gosh. You guys, can somebody please tell me how stupid I looked in those clips? Like, I was just so exhausted and I was just not acting the same. So, what? I acted so stupid. I don't really know what I want to do because I didn't really plan this. Oh, I'm just like chugging that. That is good. Okay, so I'm gonna shut up now and we're just gonna do something. So I took my contacts out because I was like, my eyes were like really hurting with the contacts in and they were just very irritated, so took them out. But I've been working on Procreate and doing some little artsy stuff. I've really been liking Procreate lately because it kind of brings out my artistic side. Once upon a time I thought that I was Bob Ross. I think that's his name. Yes, Bob Ross. I thought that I was him, literally. Like, I still have all the paint and all the brushes in my closet, but I would like constantly be painting and constantly be buying canvases and just creating new pictures because I really liked painting. So this is like a one-time fee and then I get to color all the time. So this is what I did. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Here, let me lower the exposure. Look at this. how cute that is. Okay, I really like that. So that's what I did. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna be watching some YouTube videos. I'm sitting at my desk because I feel more productive when I just sit at a desk versus laying on my bed, because when you're laying on your bed you feel like you want to go to sleep, and that's not what we want to do. So I'm also gonna change out my Scentsy burner real quick. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I like putting in my Scentsy burner. This is a scent that I always get my little wax cubes from Walmart versus Scentsy because they're a lot cheaper and they work the exact same. But this is what I like. This is the scent. It's the wild berry cheesecake. It smells so good. I'm gonna put 2 cubes into this little burner and we will do that, and then we'll call it a day. Now I'm going to do some homework. You guys don't know I use like Canvas for my school work. That's what my school does. I'm going to just do some schoolwork, and that's what we're going to do. Hey guys, so what I'm gonna fixing to do is I actually have a podcast, if you guys did not know, and I recorded my episode yesterday and it was supposed to go up today, but I had some technical difficulties and I lost my footage, so I couldn't upload it because I don't have footage to upload. So what I'm gonna do right now, since I don't really have anything specific to do, I'm just gonna do some work stuff. So I'll be sending out some emails, and then we'll also record my podcast episode. But I am drinking my coffee. I'm literally almost finished. So my to-do list is I'm gonna print an article off, and then I'm going to, annotate all that. And then I'm also going to record my podcast episode that was supposed to go up today, but I'm gonna put it up tomorrow. So yeah. Kind of share with you guys like my little setup for doing my podcast. So of course I have like a little notes type of thing. So my podcast episode, it's gonna be up before this vlog, but it's literally just how to start your new year off right, plus my goals for the new year. And then I have my mic. So this is the Blue Yeti mic. I got this for Christmas. I'm literally obsessed with it. Then I bought myself some Beat headphones. They have the cord on them so that I can actually plug them into the mic and like hear myself talking, so that I make sure my sound is on and my sound is, the right tempo and the right level and everything. So yeah, that's what I do. And then I actually use GarageBand to record. So I just literally will start a new project. Hey you guys, okay, so I just finished recording my podcast episode and it's currently 12:22 a.m. Getting pretty late. I finished my coffee and I'm really ready for another one, but I'm gonna take it very slow because if I drink too much coffee, I'm gonna get very jittery and then I'm gonna be tired. So I published my podcast episode as well, and because it was like a day late, so I published it literally like 2 minutes after midnight, so I got it up like right on time for the day. So. Hey guys, so it's actually been a hot minute since I've vlogged. Currently daylight out, so I made it through the night, but I did get a shower and everything. Not wash my hair, I just did a body shower, and then I put my deodorant on, my lotion, all that. I did my skincare routine, and I just kind of freshened up this morning because I shower every morning and every night. So that's what I did, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it's been pretty long. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below. Also turn that post notification bell on, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.